Hi, I'm Beck from Australian Jeweller Supplies, AJS, and this is Town Talk's outstanding silver cutlery rinse, maximum strength. It's 600 mils and it comes with its own dipping basket. So removing tarnish from your silver has never been easier. Place your cutlery in the dipping basket and leave for 10 seconds. Place under the running water and look for those sparkling results. It's easy to use. And for long-term anti-tarnish protection, use in conjunction with Town Talk's silver polishing cloth or Town Talk's microfiber cloth. Replace the liquid when it becomes cloudy.